This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by focusing on the specific playback device, set it as default, and open its additional device properties. Once done, look for the Enhancements tab inside the classic sound control panel. If you don't see it, make sure you're viewing the right device and that disabled devices are visible. Right-click the playback list and enable Show Disabled Devices. You also need to check that Windows is using the correct audio endpoint. Otherwise, Windows will suppress device-specific enhancement controls. Next, you resolve deeper software causes by addressing drivers and services. Open Device Manager, update the audio driver, or uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls the correct driver. OEM drivers often restore the Enhancements tab. Then open Services, MSC, and restart Windows Audio and Audio Endpoint Builder, making sure their startup type is automatic. If a recent update removed functionality, use Rollback Driver or install the vendor's package. These steps restore the audio stack so enhancement options reappear for the chosen. To finish, install the manufacturer's audio control suite, because it often reintroduces the Enhancements tab and device-specific effects. Run the built-in Windows Audio Troubleshooter and check Windows Update for driver fixes. Apply and reboot. Once you confirm the tab returns, test a setting and restart to persist changes. If it's still missing, use System Restore to revert to a point when it worked, or back up the system before applying registry tweaks. Troubleshooting tip: create a restore point before any driver or registry change so you can quickly undo mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.